Welcome back to Mobility Solutions for Today's video on Golden Technology's lift chair Swedish massage system with infrared heat. Let's get started.
Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions, liftchairusa.com. I'm sitting in a Golden Technologies recliner that has a lot of features. The one feature that I want to talk to you about is this remote. So what this is it's Nirvana Swedish Massage.
You know what that is? It's 10 air bladders in this chair.
Really?
So it's got air bladders down by your butt. It's got them your back. You also have your heat, and this is infrared heat, so it's going to penetrate into your muscles.
I feel it.
Surface
Good,
heat.
Yeah.
And it's something new to the Golden Technologies lift chair recliners. And the reason for it is a lot of people are asking for massage chairs, and a lot of people are spending a lot of time in their recliners, and they need some type of massage. They need some type of heat. Before we had vibration and heat, now we have Swedish massage, and currently it's offered on the Power Cloud version of their chairs, the PR511, the small, medium, and large. But what's cool about it is 10 air bladders. So up underneath your butt and your back, and it's moving around. Basically, it's trying to stretch my muscles, kind of like just doing stretches. So the air's moving, and it's allow you to sit longer if you're sitting in a chair all day long. The massage gives you a couple features. You can do it just massage, you can do it just heat, or you can do both. When you're in the massage, you have the lower back area zone with a lower intensity and a higher intensity. And then you have the zone 2 where you can just do the butt 1 and 2, or you can do both at the same time, and you can choose between the intensity, softer or harder. So if you want more of that air pressure to stretch, you'll go to number 2. And then you have heat. Now when you add the infrared heat, it's a deep infrared heat. It's not like a surface heat. It's actually penetrating your muscles, they say up to 3 inches, which is getting into your tissues. You have a low heat, you have a high heat, and then you have timers. So you have a half an hour to a full hour of heat therapy. It'll cut off after you're done with it. I'm sitting right here in TV watching position, and I've been sitting here for a while. I have a really bad back. I really hurt my back when I was back in high school, actually wrestling and playing football. And I have a really bad back. And the first chair that really came out with the air bladder massage was the Ultra from Pride. And it was just 1 air bladder, I believe. Now Golden's offering up to 10 air bladders. And people are like, well, I don't know if I really need it. If you're gonna be in a chair all day long, you're gonna need some type of movement. Sitting more than 6 to 8 hours a day is almost worse than smoking cigarettes. So the purpose of the air bladder below your butt is like the air right now is moving around. So it's putting pressure points in different spots instead of one pressure point. So this is gonna help a little bit with the metabolism too, because we're allowing blood flow and we're allowing movement. And then obviously you have your heat that's really gonna make it feel really good, giving you that mental sensation. So we're trying to rebuild your body from the inside out with using some of this technology that they're offering to their chairs. This is a Maxi Comfort chair, and you're gonna see this on a couple different units coming soon, and we'll talk about that later. But this is a Maxi Comfort chair. So with this massage, I can also hit 0 gravity, and I can really feel the pressure on my back with the air bladder moving. I like it because, again, my back bothers me. It's pushing my back out and sucking it kind of back in, so it's kind of moving the disc around to take the pressure off of that one disc that's hitting that nerve that's shooting a pain down your leg. If you have a bad back, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. You can also increase your lumbar here also, so that really helps. Like in your car, I always have my lumbar all the way out, so I really like it right here, laying back, and I can feel it moving. I use a product called Posture Pump before all these air bladders came out, and I would have to lay on the ground and pump up an air bladder to push my spine out so it's kind of like in line, like going to the chiropractor, getting adjusted. That's basically all he's doing, is adjusting your spine to get off of some of your nerves that's really bothering you. So Nirvana Swedish Massage, it's a much needed if you're sitting down for a long period of time, if you have a bad back problem, if you need to loosen some of your muscles up. I think you're really gonna like it. Check it out, or give us a call at 803-926 2224.
If this video piqued your interest, we have several other videos on our channel, including a great comparison video on some of Golden's top models, where we go into more detail about the specs and other features of these lift chairs. So check them out. Feel free to call us anytime 9 to 5 Monday through Friday, Eastern Standard Time, if you have any questions. Tired of being uncomfortable? Wait no longer. These things are moving fast. I promise you won't regret it.
Well, this should help rejuvenate your body a little bit.
This feels
It does
How
feel
much is
good.
this? Probably a lot more than I can afford.
Thanks for watching today's video, and don't forget,
If you're looking to finance something, we're offering 0% interest, 3, 6, up to 12 months on purchases, which is really cool. And it's very easy to do. So we offer it with Bread Pay.
and we have a full-length video on our channel on how to use it. Go check it out. Make sure to come back to our shop videos where we do full unboxings and much more. So like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.